Dear Eulalia, Rosa, and Mireia, and the whole Lluch family, European Union Vice President Teresa Ribera, Salvador Illa, President of the Government of Catalonia, Honorable Mayor Jaume Colboni, and other Spanish and Catalan authorities, dear colleagues and friends. I'm honored to offer some thoughts as you come together to commemorate the 25th anniversary of the assassination of former Minister of Health, Professor Ernest Lluch. This coincides with another anniversary, 40 years since the start of the parliamentary debate on the Spanish General Health Law, which was approved in 1986. This transformative law is a true testament to Professor Lluch's lasting legacy, making public health care free and universal in Spain. Today, it remains in force as one of the fundamental pillars of the Spanish welfare state and a leading example globally of universal health coverage, or UHC. When WHO was founded in 1948, the authors of our Constitution affirmed that health is a fundamental right for all people. Universal health coverage is the practical expression of that right. It's a simple idea. All people should have access to the essential health services they need without facing financial hardship by paying for those services out of their own pockets. In these politically divisive times, Professor Lluch's legacy underscores the importance of working together through multilateralism towards our shared goal of universal health coverage and health for all as a foundation for development, the stability, and peace.